Welcome to Carnaby Street.
Carnaby Street is a pedestrianised shopping street in Soho, in central London.
Close to Oxford Street and Regent Street, it is the home to fashion and lifestyle retailers, including a large number of independent fashion shops. The nearest London Underground station is Oxford Circus on the Bakerloo Central and Victoria lines. Carnaby Street gets its name from Carnaby House, which was built in 1683 to the east.
The street was built by 1686. It was almost completely built up by 1690 with small houses.
The first boutique, his clothes, was opened by John Stephen in 1957. By the 1960s, Carnaby Street was popular with followers of the mod and hippie styles.
Bands such as the Small Faces, the Who and the Rolling Stones appeared in the area to work at the legendary Marquee Club round the corner in Wardour Street. Shop and socialise, and it became one of the coolest destinations associated with 1960s swinging London.
In October 1973, the Greater London Council banned cars from the street.
In 1991, the community of Soho created the mural at the western end of Broadwick Street to celebrate the characters and venues that make the area so special. Dotted around the mural are dogs and hares, harking back to Soho's origins as the royal hunting ground between the 16th and 17th centuries. In fact, the word Soho is believed to have come from an old hunting cry.
Here is Kingly Court, our secret place of Carnaby Street. Here it is full of restaurants and great places to eat and drink, and is our hat to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video next week. Thank you for watching.